Oh, these things are working great. I'm out here on this little sandbar now. Now these are the waders with the built-in boots. There's a little bit of padding right here in the knee, so if you do fall or anything, I'll go over them more once I kind of put them on, but there's a pocket right here, a waist belt, a overall shoulder strap with dual buckles, and a couple of pockets lined up there, and they are waterproof pockets. Check that out, there's waterproof pockets on these. Let's go ahead, let's put these things on, and let's see what they look like on. Oh, you do get a little hanger for them. This right here, I think, is for drying. It's always nice that they included that. So let's go ahead and let's put them on. Let's walk around the creek. Let's walk up through there and do some casting, then walk down through there, because these go all the way up to your chest. You know what, we gotta love some chest waders, so let's do that now. So I usually go size 9 on my boot, and that feels pretty good. You see right here, there's a drawstring right there, an inside pocket right here. I'm gonna put my phone is on the inside pocket right there. Zip that up, and that is a waterproof zipper. The waist belt does go through these. Nice fit. There's some hook areas right here for like a net or something like that. Grip on the boots feels solid. I don't see any issues with that at all. I can feel the pressure of the water, but I feel nothing leaking in. Let's go all the way down. That's as far down as I want to go. I'm about chest deep right now. Yeah, I don't see any issues with these things at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for a good solid set of waders that are affordable and does the job with a lot of different features. There's a pocket right here with a little bit of felt on the inside to keep your hands warm. Inside, outside dry pockets that have waterproof zippers. Some attachments right here and some attachments on that side. Some attachments up here. So you've got plenty of attachments for like nets and lures and things like that. And I like the padded knees. That's a nice addition right there. If you ever slip and fall, you'll realize why you wanted those padded knees. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Extremus, chest waders. See you all in the next video.